Come, Leo.
Where is my darling? Oh, how are you? Oh, pitty paw. Oh, my loves. Oh, no, my loves. Oh, no, my loves. Oh, no, my kitties. Oh, you're sleepy, kitty. Open your eyes.
Yeah.
Open your eyes. Say hello to mommy. Huh? Yeah. Like he understood.
He understood you.
Understood, my darling. Understood.
Yeah.
And open the kitty. And his son bothering twice. That's why he doesn't want to open. Oh, yeah.
He can't open his eyes because of sun.
Sun shining twice. Sun shining twice, my darling.
Leo. I like his pink nose. Hey.
Me too. I like his nose too.
Bless you.
Yeah, come on.
Come here,
Leonardo, come. Yeah, Where is? Which? Where is he?
Come, Leo. Come to daddy. Come.
Yeah,
Sleepy Leo. Maybe he was
Still-
sleeping before.
I think still
Yeah?
sleepy, slow.
Still sleepy.
Slow motion.
Just wake up, I think.
Yeah. Lotion. Yeah, Leonardo şu. Yedi. Oy yedi. Mırnım. Oynım.
Hungry Leo? Eh?
Came for breakfast. First need to wake up Leo. You know,
Come on, let's
to
eat.
give food. Yeah.
Come on. Let's
Yeah.
eat. He looks hungry.
Doesn't look so hungry. He looks sleepy. Much more.
Sleepy and hungry. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.